Welcome to the 101 uses of a multi-tool on tour. I'm Robin Clevitt. I'm fixing joinery, which means I do not want to see my fixings. So we use something in tradition called a cross grain pellet. This is what they look like, and basically they will fill the hole where the fixing is, and we're going to use a 63mm rapid wood blade to clean them back perfectly flush, and it's the most beautiful job you've ever seen. So the secret to using a cross grain pellet is select the pellet that best matches the piece of timber that you're going to fill. I think this is a particularly lovely way of finishing timber. It's very traditional. We've been doing this for hundreds of years here in the UK. Thanks for watching the 101 uses of multi-tool on tour.